Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Over $120 million has been pumping to Terra Classic within the past 15 hours. Well, I believe this is coming from big whales, and Terra Classic will continue to increase. Now Terra Classic is actually hitting over 1 billion market cap. I'm hoping that before the end of March or April, we want to see Terra Classic market cap hitting over 2 billion. Remember, since last year, so many coins have been dropping in price, and I believe with the support from different top exchanges, I believe Terra Classic this year is going to really increase in price. This is the beginning of the year, and we can see already most coins are doing well. Terra Classic is also doing well. I mean, 120 million within 15 hours being pumped into Terra Classic. Wow, it's amazing. And remember, with all this pumping, the burning of Terra Classic will definitely increase, because the 1.2% tax bond will definitely charge whether you are buying or whether you're selling. And recently, we also checked the staking of Terra Classic. The staking have also really increased. So many people have actually been supporting this coin, especially from Binance founder CZ, who has been talking about Terra Classic, and I'm hoping to see this coin really hit a massive increase in price before the end of the year. We are going to see more price pump. We are going to see Terra Classic hitting massive increase in price before the end of March. I believe Terra Classic market cap might be hitting over 1.5 billion or $2 billion, which will definitely help this coin to gain over 100 to 200 or 300% increase in price. But one important thing I want them to still do is to also to try and burn out Terra Classic coin. With about 6 trillion coins out there, if they can burn at least half of these coins, believe it. In fact, let me tell you one thing you need to understand about Terra Classic. They have gotten a lot of support, especially from top crypto exchanges and from top crypto billionaires and from big whales. I believe the burning of this coin will definitely hit a massive rise this year. Just like last year, they burned about 37 billion coins within the space of 3 months, and I believe the burning this year is going to increase. We're expecting this coin to burn over 1 trillion, and if they can really come with a better plan of burning the remaining supply, I believe before the end of the year, Terra Classic will definitely burn over 1 to 2 trillion coins, and Terra Classic price will definitely pump between 1 cent or 10 cents. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.